You're watching How Leap. Let's see how to enable flash notifications or the LED flash for alerts on your iPhone. Open the Settings app, tap Accessibility. Under the Hearing section, tap Audio Visual. You will see the option LED flash for alerts. Toggle this switch on. You can also enable flash on silent if you want the flash to work even when your phone is on silent mode. Once enabled, the camera's LED flash will blink whenever you receive a call, text, or notification. This feature is useful for people who are hard of hearing or for situations where you need a visual alert. The flash will blink a few times for each notification. You can test it by having someone send you a text. Remember, this uses the rear camera flash, so ensure the lens is not covered. To disable it, simply return to the same settings and toggle LED flash for alerts off. This feature works alongside sound and vibration, providing an extra layer of notification. For more simple iPhone accessibility tutorials, subscribe to the channel.